When it comes to selling cars, a lot of people are making one massive mistake. Having a dirty engine bay is one of those things that can limit how much money you make, right? It's so easy to clean, especially like all these plastics around here. A little bit of soapy water in there. When people see the photos of your engine bay, you want the car to scream it's been looked after. It sends out a good message to the prospective buyer that this car's been looked after. Has it been looked after throughout its whole life? I don't know. But since I've had it, it's definitely been looked after. One of those things that most people overlook when they're selling cars is clean engine bay. But yeah, have a look at the engine bay, guys. Everything in here is looking nice and clean. Little small touches like that, little small touches. It's not, don't take long to do. I'm gonna put like an extra, I'm gonna shine up the plastics as well because I got something for them too, but it's looking good. And selling is more than just having a product. Anybody can say this is a laptop, but you don't sell it just by saying this is a laptop, right? Not everybody's just buying it just because it's a laptop. And first impressions matter.